You know the vibes. Gra, gra, gra. It's that Kapalot nigga, man. When I walk in the spot, don't make it hot. Gra, gra. Boom, boom, boom. Let's speak on the facts. Last time got hit, got tapped. Run up on me and I bet you get clapped. 2-3 shots tryna knock off his cap. Run up on me, you get took off the map. Both said 5 tryna piss at his back. I'ma send 10, we gon' put back to back. Let's get killed off a job on my side. Don't diss on my dads, that's how you get put in the split. Don't like on that shit, but get put in my split. Nigga, you dumb if you think I'm a sip. Yeah, I talking a nut, but don't spend my shit. Me bro gon' spend tryna catch his head. I'ma spend through the course tryna catch me. Oh, he throw up a O, then he catching a O. Run up on me, then you get broke. Then I get low so I don't get caught. Never speak on what happens, that's what I was taught. Dishing on board, you know what we do. Catching I be get beat out of shoes. Yeah, I talk too much, what y'all wanna do? Fuck all the talk, come make a move. Spit through that block, throwing more than 2. Benefit jam, beat him with the suit. Said you looking for me, but I'm looking for you. Where's you at? I'm not hiding from you. Y'all niggas is ducking when we spin it through. Don't get second flocking at your crew. Where's you at? I'm not hiding from you. Y'all niggas be lacking, think you can get it too. Niggas be bums and they run. Niggas you dumb, invest in a weapon. How you talk tough, little nigga you tellin'. I put that on bro, I ain't never tellin'. I could live life, gotta keep it steak. Run up on me, then you get a hit. Look at my block, put holes in your whip. Ass around, yeah, you know I'm the shit. Oh yeah, they wanna diss. Back in my chop and I click and I click. Like what? Like when I clip. Like click, click, click. Make sure he get put in my split. Niggas be bitches and they snitching. They really need to stop dissing.
What if my mother stop dissing? That's what if my mother. I'ma catch her head like smoking on Jimmy. Got put in this piss and I hit the lick. Digging your bitch down. She like the way her head I moan the sound. That's what if my mother. They never did shit. Suck my dick like who got her touch. And that's what if my mother. Ready to fuck and I'm ready to hit that shit from the fight. We hop out. Niggas know it's ice cream trucking this shit. Word 2. Who caught they hit? Who got hit it in hip? What if my mother. They never spent through shit. Hit the lick now your bitch. I got some real nigga dick. Don't give a fuck, you better not wrong, you better not trip by your kids, you gon' get stumped out like Noah. What if my mother, I ain't fucking a bitch, that bitch is just born. She talking my shit, hit the lake, now your bitch is fucking up on the real nigga. Ask what if my mother, I don't care who the fuck, I ain't feeling no feel nigga.
Ha, JV, like, fuck around, like, Glock, Glock, Glock. Why niggas is talking on gang? That nigga get punched in his face. No love, that nigga ain't saved. If you try to run, that nigga get chased. He dropping the fours, he get stabbed in the leg. Fuck around, he get punched in his face. Like, Glock, Glock, Glock. Like, no fuck around shit. Like, fuck around, bro. Don't fuck around.
Cheese in the spot, man. You
Drinking
know the vibes.
Drinking
Boom. 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 Boom.